Hey guys, I am here in EPCOT today for the very first day of the Disney 100 celebration here in Walt Disney World. EPCOT is now full of purple and sparkles and shimmers, and I am just so excited that we can finally celebrate 100 years of Disney here in Orlando, Florida. There are so many new things here at EPCOT in honor of the celebration, so we're gonna try all of those today. The one I'm most excited for is that Mickey and Minnie are here in their Disney 100 outfits. I was able to meet them all the way over in Disneyland in their Disney 100 outfits, so I'm so excited to meet them here in Disney World. There's also a few new food booths for food and wine. There's gonna be a new show that debuts on Spaceship Earth later tonight. Our Soarin Over the World has now changed to Soarin Over California, which I got a lightning lane for, so we're gonna do that. And there's also just a bunch of little Disney 100 decorations everywhere. So yeah, I'm just here to kick off the celebration and show you guys everything. I am in my Disney 100 outfit as well, but I think the very first thing I want to do is go meet Mickey and Minnie because their line does close at 5:30 and it is close to 5:30. So let's go power walk on over to the Imagination Pavilion and go say hi to our friends.
And the glitter on your face too is so pretty. You've learned well from Minnie. I like it. You look great, Minnie. Both of you look lovely.
Thank you so much, Minnie. So perfect. How cute was that? I was so scared they were gonna close the line. I definitely like power walked my way because getting here there was so much traffic and it took me so long just to park, and I had to park in the pretty much the very last row and the very last like lot. I'm all the way like in Rocket. So yeah, it's crazy busy today. I think partly because it's the first day of Disney 100 and then partly because it's a Friday and I'm sure everybody just wants to be here at Disney World. That's why I was like, we gotta go kind of fast to make sure we get a spot to meet Mickey and Minnie, and sometimes they'll close the line even before that, just depending on how busy it is. So I think I waited like, honestly my wait was not bad. I think I waited like 30 minutes, but unfortunately I did only meet Minnie Mouse because Mickey Mouse had to go get ready for the Halloween party. I did get to see him when I first got there, but then he had to leave halfway through, which honestly I was okay with because I have Minnie Mouse on my shirt and so she was the star I really wanted to see, and that's what I told her. But they look so cute. I'm so glad they're in their little Disney 100 outfits, and the setup is like this whole stage, like it's really cool. After that I decided to go to Joffrey's because I needed coffee, and I got the annual pass holder drink, which is special for food and wine, and I think the flavor is amaretto, which honestly I don't really know what that is, but I got it with almond milk and no whipped cream. And I like it. It's just a very like chill flavor, like not too sweet, and that's the kind of coffee I like because I really don't like super sweet lattes, but I like it. I just kind of have been walking around like the entrance of World Showcase to see everything, and there are just these little Disney 100 banners everywhere you go, and these are really similar to the ones in Disneyland, so I'm so glad that we have them here. They're literally everywhere. And then also the brand new Disney 100 booths, they're all right in the entrance of World Showcase, and they're all like decked out in like platinum and purple, and I'm pretty hungry, so I think that's what we should go do next, is go stop by the booths. I don't know if I'll be able to get food from all of them, but I'll definitely show you guys all of them, so yeah. So the first booth I went to was Wine and Wedge, which is essentially like my dream booth because it's like just cheeses and wines and stuff. I just went ahead and got the assorted cheeses. I don't know exactly what they are, but it doesn't matter. I definitely should have got a knife maybe. One of my favorite foods of all time is cheese. We're just gonna try it. I wonder if the bread is like a raisin bread. I thought maybe it was fig, but I don't think so. It's delicious. I have no idea what this cheese is. I like it though. This is the life, honestly. Eating cheese, I'm drinking coffee instead of wine, but same idea. Just watching the sunset in EPCOT. The music really sets the mood, but this is great. They have brie too. Brie is my favorite cheese. It's just a good time. But guys, I have big news. It's really not that big, but I renewed my annual pass today. Yay. I like just forgot to renew it. I haven't really been to the parks in a while just because it's been so hot. Oh, and I've been traveling a lot. So we're celebrating today. I spent a lot of money, but I'm happy to do it because I love it. I love being an annual pass holder. I think next I'm just gonna go down the line of all the little booths and maybe try a few more things. I ended up finding the new Disney 100 mural, which is right by Bubbles and Brine. The mural is so cute and there are 100 hidden Disney characters all throughout the mural. It was really crowded over here, but I was able to find a few characters. I'm back again. It is a little crazy today, and anytime it's like really crazy and crowded at EPCOT, it's always harder for me to vlog because I love to like stop at the little tables or trash cans and like they're all full. I've literally just been walking around trying to find a good little place to stop. So I went and walked around to the rest of the Disney 100 little booths. I almost got something from Char and Chop. They had like a little like assorted meats thing, and it's literally exactly what I got with the cheese, but just with sliced meat. And so I was like, dang, I wish they could combine them because that would be the best little meal ever. So that's a little tip. If you like meat and cheese, you could go to Wine and Wedge and Char and Chop, eat them together. Probably a little expensive, but might be worth it. So I decided to pass on that one because the little cheese board was pretty filling anyways. And then I went to go see Bubbles and Brine, which I think if I was in the mood for like a little champagne, a little bubbly, I would go there, but I wasn't feeling that at the moment. And then they just had little shrimp or like a shrimp cocktail, which I'm sure is delicious, but like I also really wasn't craving that either. And then the last booth that is brand new that opened today is Swirled Showcase, which I was really excited for that one because it's just ice cream, but it's actually not open today. It said it's coming soon, so I'm very excited for that one whenever it opens. So I decided, because the last time I was here was back in July, and they didn't have all of the booths open yet because in addition to the Disney 100 ones, they also had just like other ones that weren't open. So now everything is officially open. So Hawaii is open, which is always one of my favorites. The Noodle Exchange is open, and I think some more. So anyways, I stopped by Hawaii because they had this spam musubi, I think is what it's called, and it looked delicious. So that's what we're going to try. It's not quite Disney 100, but it's still new. So it's kind of like sushi. Maybe it's spam sushi. I can't remember what they called it, but it has spam in it and sushi rice and then eel sauce and spicy mayo. Ooh, that is so good. Anything with eel sauce and spicy mayo is like an immediate like for me. I love this. This is really good. And it's very filling too. As I was walking around, I found the new Disney 100 mural, which I was looking for that too. I thought it was gonna be where like the Festival of the Arts, like Paint by Numbers mural was, kind of like in front of the EPCOT ball, like on those walls, but it wasn't. It's like right by, I don't know how to explain where it is. Like if you're going like from Soarin to the World Showcase, like that little road, it's there. And that is a really tiny and narrow road, and there's a lot of people. I was like getting ready to film, but it was so crazy crowded. So it's a little bit of a congested spot. Maybe it's just because it's super crowded today. I don't love where the mural is, but the mural is cute. All it is just like a little mural of Epcot with like just people everywhere. I think there's 100 Disney characters hidden throughout the mural. And so I was trying to find a few. The first one I saw was Duffy and Shelly Mae, which Duffy's one of my favorite characters. So I was so glad he was included. All the princesses are there. Mickey and Minnie and Goofy and all of them are in it in their Disney 100 outfits. So it's cute. I mean, the weather is just so beautiful today. So, or at least more so in the evening because it was still hot earlier. So I've just been really enjoying the vibe. I need to get some water desperately. And then after that, it'll be time for my lightning lane to go ride Soarin' Over California. This is my very first time buying a Lightning Lane and buying Genie Plus. It was like $18 for Genie Plus for the whole day, and then a few of the rides like Guardians, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, maybe a few other ones you have to buy additionally. I figured today is the best day to get it for the first time because I figured Soarin' was gonna have a pretty long wait because I know so many people love Soarin' Over California, and a lot of people I think grew up on it. I may have done it when I was a kid, but honestly I don't think I would remember the difference. But I did do Soarin' Over California earlier this year in Disneyland because they had it for their Food and Wine Festival for like a few months. But I'm excited for that. I'm gonna go get some water and then let's go soar over California. What a day. So it is 9 o'clock, EPCOT is closed, so I'm back in my car all the way in Rocket. I think I have over like 20,000 steps today, but that's also combining Horror Nights because I was there last night, so it like carries over into today. But I really got my steps in today. I'm a little bummed because I didn't end up getting to see the When You Wish Upon a Star, the new little like light up show on Spaceship Earth. I don't know what it's called. There was just like so much I wanted to do today, and I thought they would have one more showing at 9 p.m, but they don't because that's when the fireworks start, and I got out of Soarin' like right at 8:55, so I did miss the show, but I'll be back. So, I mean, I'll see it at some point. But other than that, I did everything that I wanted to do today, which I'm very proud of because it was so crazy busy. The first days can always just be a little bit hectic, and although I had a whole list of everything I wanted to do today, I was just happy to be there for the vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed this more chill kind of vlog at EPCOT today. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'm just so excited that the Disney 100 celebration has finally come to Walt Disney World. I had so much fun when I went to Disneyland earlier in the year because they started the Disney 100 celebration first. Feel free to check out those vlogs if you want to see what the celebration was like over there, but I'm so excited to be celebrating here in my home, Walt Disney World. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys my bracelets. That's part of the reason why I got here kind of late, was because I was making these friendship bracelets. So this one says Wonder and it has little Mickeys. This one is from Little Words Project and it says Good Vibes. This one I think is Alex and Ani. This was a gift like years ago. I also literally got these today. Say Emily Enchanted. They're also from Little Words Project. I definitely recommend checking them out. They have the cutest little bracelets. They're such great quality. I'm obsessed with them. And then I also made this one that said D100. At first I made one that said Disney 100, but it was too long. You couldn't really tell what it said, so I changed it to D100. But yeah, I've been just loving like making these little bracelets for like whatever I'm doing, because I just think it's so fun to have a unique bracelet that nobody else has that perfectly matches like my outfit or the event or whatever it is. I definitely will be back to EPCOT because I really want to see the new Disney 100 little show at night. I can't wait to try out Swirled Showcase when that opens. There is so much coming up. I'm trying to plan trips and all of these things coming up, so feel free to subscribe if you want to keep up with all of my adventures, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.